Hi friends, it's Manoj Shukla from English Inside. Again I am back to you with a new lesson. But what I think you have a good appetite to learn English. It's good. I praise you from the very core of my heart. And you will also succeed in your life. But one request. You watch this video up to the end. Never skip and never leave. You will learn how to use ego and before in sentences. Okay, let's start. What you see on the board, the title is ego or before. Which word is apt to be used in sentences? 9 sentences have been cited here, 9 examples have been cited here, and here is also a table, it's cited here. But before going to the examples, we'll see first the uses of ego and before that are cited in the table. Okay? The table says ego is used as an adverb and before is also used as an adverb. And here is also the use of preposition. Ego is not used as a preposition here because it's crossed here, okay? And ego is not used as a conjunction here, it's crossed here. But before is used as a preposition and before is used as a conjunction here, okay? When ego is used as an adverb in a sentence, so 3 things we should take into consideration. The first one is past simple. It means past simple should be used in the sentence. The second thing is expression of time. It means there should be an expression of time in the sentence. Third thing, before now. It means it says the use of ego says something happened before now. We should take into consideration the present time. Something happened before now. But when before is used, there may be the use of past simple or present perfect or future perfect. It is the first thing we should remember. Second thing, it may be with or without expression of time. It means when you use before in a sentence, you may use expression of time or you may not use the expression of time. Third thing, as ego refers to before now, it doesn't refer to before now. So, what does it refer? It refers before another time. It means something happened before another time, not it happened before now. Something happened before another time. Okay? So, this is all about before and ego when they are used as an adverb in sentence. Okay? Next thing, we'll go to the preposition. Ego is not used as a preposition in the sentence, but when it is used as a preposition in the sentence, just after that, noun is used. When it is used as a conjunction in the sentence, ego is not used as a conjunction in the sentence, but when before is used as a conjunction in the sentence, so after before, there must be use of a clause. So, after before, a clause comes. This is all about the usage of ego and before. Now, we'll come to the examples. Okay? In total, 9 sentences have been cited here on the board, you see. The first 3 sentences are cited here using ego as an adverb. Okay? Number 4 and number 5, these 2 sentences are cited here using before as an adverb here. Okay? Number 6 and number 7, these 2 sentences, number 6 and number 7, these 2 sentences are cited here using before as a preposition here. And the last 2 sentences, number 8 and number 9, these 2 sentences are cited using before as a conjunction here. Okay? So, now we'll see the number 1, number 2 and number 3 sentences. Example number 1, he went to Delhi 5 years ago. Ego is used here as we have seen. Ego is used, it refers to before now. From now, if you go back 5 years, he went to Delhi then. So, the sentence is, he went to Delhi 5 years ago. Went is the past simple form of the verb, it's used past simple. 5 years, it's the expression of time and ego is used. Okay, this is all about the example number 1. Sentence number 2. She came here a short time ago. Ego is used here in the sentence. It refers to before now, as we have already discussed. She came here. So, came is the past simple form of the verb. Came is the past simple form of the verb. A short time is the expression of time here and ego is used. It says something happened before now. If you go back a short time from now, she came here. Okay? The sentence says that. Sentence number 3. It says, how long ago did you buy it? Ego is used. Past simple form of the verb is also used. Ego is used here. Past simple form of the verb, it's used. Did buy is the past simple form of the verb. It's used. But the sentence says, At what distance of time from now did you buy it? The sentence says that. So the sentence says how long ago, how long is the expression of time, ago is used here, and did buy, it's the past simple form of the verb. So the sentence says how long ago did you buy it? This is sentence number 3. Now we'll come to sentence number 4 and sentence number 5. So in sentence number 4 and 5, before is used, and it is used as an adverb here. Before is used as an adverb in the sentence, in these two sentences. So when we use before in sentences as an adverb, it refers to before another time. It doesn't mean before now. It refers to before another time. So let's see number 4. He went to Delhi in 1930. He went to Delhi in 1930. But I was there 5 years before. What does it mean? He went to Delhi in 1930, but I was there 5 years before. It means if you go back 5 years from 1930, I was there, that means before another time. So what is the another time here? Here the another time is 1930. Okay, this is sentence number 4. Sentence number 5, the sentence says he has never played the game before. So what does it mean? Before doesn't mean before now. Before here refers to before another time or earlier. That means he has never played the game earlier. Okay, so present perfect has been used here, as it says here. Past simple may be used, present perfect may be used, future perfect may be used. So present perfect has been used here, and before is used here. It refers to earlier time or it refers to before another time. So the sentence is he has never played the game before. Ago is completely incorrect here because past simple is not used here. Okay, now we'll come to sentence number 6. So in sentence number 6 and 7, before is used as a preposition here. So if before is used as a preposition, just after before a noun should be used in sentence number 6. And in sentence number 7 we'll see that he will have gone there before 2023. So before is used here, he will have gone there before 2023. So before is a preposition here because just after before 2023 it's a noun. So as it's a noun here, before is the preposition here. Before is used as a preposition here. Okay, sentence number 7. India had got her freedom before Gandhiji's death. Gandhiji's death, this is a noun phrase. And before Gandhiji's death, before is used in the sentence. So before is a preposition here because it is used before a noun phrase. It means after before Gandhiji's death, it's a noun phrase. The noun phrase is used after before. So this is a preposition here. Before is used as a preposition here. Number 8 and 9. In number 8 and 9, before is used as a conjunction. If before is used as a conjunction, just after the conjunction a clause comes. Okay, we'll see that. So I reached the station before the train had left. I reached the station before the train had left. So before is the conjunction here because after the conjunction, so the train had left, it's a clause, and before is the conjunction here, and the whole part is before the train had left, it's an adverb clause. Okay. Number 9, look before you leap. Look before you leap. It's a very short sentence. So before is used as a conjunction here. Before is used as a conjunction here. You leap. It's a clause here. And the whole part, before you leap, it's an adverb clause here. And as you leap is a clause and before is used before that, so before is a conjunction. It conjuncts the two clauses. One is the look and second one is you leap. So before is a conjunction. It's all about ago and before, but we'll sum up now. Ago is used as an adverb here and before is also used as an adverb here and simultaneously. So before can be used as a preposition as we have seen in sentence number 6 and sentence number 7, and before can be used as a conjunction as we have seen in sentence number 8 and sentence number 9. This is all about ago and before. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this one, it is my pleasure. Just you like, share, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe this. And you can also follow us on Twitter. If you like this channel, please put your comments on the comment box. I will have lots of pleasure to provide you more and more videos. So thank you. Bye.